Hi there, my name is Kristin and I am a vocal teacher and also a Reiki healer. In this video, I'm going to teach you one vowel that can help you reach those higher notes when you are using your toning to heal other people. So I have been teaching voice now for 5 years, and what I see is that even through my one-on-one sessions or workshops, there is a profound peace that comes when my clients realize the power of their voices. And the reason why I started teaching voice is because of my own journey, through my own vocal journey. Through my whole life, I've been singing, and I've always got good comments about my voice, and that was like, if there was a karaoke bar or anywhere, I would be up on stage singing. But there will come to a point in any song, especially those Celine Dion songs, Mariah Carey songs, the high power songs, you know, of the 1990s, and where I couldn't reach higher. So it will come to a block where I felt like, I wouldn't go any higher. So, and I thought that that's just the way it is. I can't sing high, so I have to find songs that I don't need to sing high in. And I didn't realize until I was like 24 that there is something called vocal technique. And vocal technique, it can be so simple as just changing the vowel when you're trying to sing high. Instead of saying ah, you say ooh, and you sing with ease. So that is the technique. Like, if you want to sing higher with ease, you just change the vowel. And there are some specific vowels that are very suitable for singing high, like e, ooh. A vowel that's not suitable for singing high is it's not. That vowel is suitable for singing low notes, like So there is a technique, and what I've seen also in my clients is that the realization of that there is a technique actually to sing, it blows their minds. It's like, what? Can I sing like this? I didn't think that it was possible to sing like this. And when they get that realization, it's like a door opens of other types of realizations. Like, if I can sing when I thought I couldn't sing, but now I can sing, what other things in my life can I do that I thought I couldn't do? If I can sing, then I can, if I can sing loud, then I can speak louder also. So through vocal coaching and vocal technique, you can learn so much more. And I'm here to be a part of your journey if you would like. And if you want to work with me, you can check in the description below my contact information, my email, and we are suitable to work together. I would love to be the one that help you realize that you can sing, help you realize, I would love to be the one that can help you realize that you actually can sing and your voice is beautiful. So, and if you're interested, then you have to check out also this video up here where I talk about the healing power of your voice and why it's healing.